Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm gonna make this leaf pattern for keychains. The material I use are milk cottons and a 3.50mm crochet hook from Tulip. Well, to start making this pattern, firstly I will create a slip knot. Then I will make 9 plus 1 chains. The total chains are 10. Then I will start the blade of leaf. Firstly, I will make 1 single crochet on the second chain from the hook, then 1 half double crochet in the next 1 stitch, 1 more half double crochet in the next 1 stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next 1 stitch, one double crochet again in the next 1 stitch, one more double crochet in the next 1 stitch, 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet is made in 1 stitch. Okay, then back to 1 half double crochet, one more half double crochet, then 1 single crochet in this last stitch. This last stitch is the first stitch from the slip knot. This is what it looks like. Okay, I will move to the other side. I'll move to another side, sorry. Start with 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. One, and this is another one. Then 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. One, two, three. Okay, then back to 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet, 1 more half double crochet, after that 1 single crochet and a slip stitch in the same stitch. Okay, then make slip stitch in the same stitch, in this same stitch. Okay, the first round of the leaf is already. Then I'll make 20 chain. This is the leaf stalk. 20 foundation chain. Okay, then slip stitch on the 11th chains from the hook. Then make slip stitch in each of the chain stitches. There are 9 slip stitches. This is the last slip stitch. Then make one more slip stitch in this stitch. Okay, done. After this, I will make the second round of the leaf. Okay, I will start from the first stitch. I will find the first stitch. I will start with one single crochet. This is the first stitch, the very first stitch of the leaf. Now making the second round of the blade for this leaf. One single crochet, 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, then 1 half double crochet in the next one stitch, 2 double crochets in the next one stitch. 1, 2. Okay, then 1 double crochet in the next one stitch, 2 double crochet in the next one stitch, 2 double crochets in this stitch, in this same stitch. One half double crochet in the next one stitch. Then 2 half double crochets in the next one stitch, 2 half double, then 1 single crochet in this one stitch, another single crochet in the next one stitch. This is the beginning point of another side of this leaf. So I will make 2 chains for picot stitch. Then I will make picot stitch on this stitch. This is slip stitch. Okay, after that 2 half double crochet in the next one stitch, 2 half double, then 1 half double crochet in the next one stitch, 2 double crochets in the next one stitch, okay, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets again, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, then 1 half double crochet in the next one stitch, 2 half double crochet in the next one stitch, 2 half double crochets, then 1 single crochet in the next one stitch. Okay, 1 single crochet in this stitch, then slip stitch in the next one stitch. Okay, done. Another slip stitch in the middle stitch. Okay, 1 chain through the outside of this leaf. Okay, 1 chain here. Then turn the work like this. Now I will make the middle chain or the middle slip stitch to create the middle reef of this leaf. Okay, do it like this. Slip stitch. Make slip stitch in every single stitch. keep going. Okay, slip stitch again. This will be the last slip stitch. Okay, now we'll cut this yarn. Okay, then I will use the pastry needle to hide this yarn tail. Okay, perfect. Well everyone, this leaf pattern is ready. It can be used as a keychains. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet.